Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the frequency distribution of the age of of students in a class of 40 students. So, the number of students is 40. Okay, is given below. So, it is given already given. The x and y is missing, and if the mean deviation about median is 1.25, so mean deviation about median is given, then then you have to find out the value of this 4x plus 5y. Okay, this you have to calculate, and for that you have to find out the exact value of x and y. So look at this, how we will approach. So first, these guys are talking about number of students 40. So can I write down this thing as 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 12 plus x plus y equals 40. So 12, 8, 20, 30. So can I say that x plus y, 40 minus 30 is 10. So we got our first equation. Now we have to find out another equation so that we can find out the value for x and y separately. Okay. Now these guys are talking about mean deviation about median, so you have to find out the median. So you know that there are 40 students, so there will be two students who will be in the exactly midway. Okay, the 20th roll number kid and 21st roll number kid. Okay, now try to find out the room in which the roll number 20th kid will stay. So if we will consider this room, till this room, you know that till this room only 5 students are staying, and it is increasing order, so it's okay. Till this room 13 students are staying. Till this room 18 students are staying. Till this room 30 students are staying. Me, and till this room 18 students are staying. So can I say that in this room the roll number 20th kid and the 21st kid will stay, and their age is 18. So can I say that median is 18 plus 18 by 2 is 18. First 18 is because of 20th roll number kid, and second 18 is for 21st kid. Okay, now we have to find out equation. So we will apply mean deviation about median. Look at this, mean deviation about median. So what we have to do, we have to subtract median from every element and then divide by number of numbers. So 18 minus 15 is 3, and there are 5 students, so 15. 18 minus 16, so 2, there are 8 students, 16. 18 minus 17, 1, there are 5 students, 1 into 5 is 5. 18 minus 18, 0, 0 into 12 is 0. 18 or 19 minus 18 is 1, so x. 20 minus 18 is 2, so 2y upon 40. Okay, there are 40 kids. So according to us, mean deviation about median is this, but according to them it is 125 by 100. Let's simplify this thing. So 20, 30, 36, 36 plus x plus 2y, 40. Okay, so it is 4 time, it is 5 time, it is 10 times, so 15, sorry 50. So x plus 2y, x plus 2y is 14. So we got another equation. Okay, Now we got two equation, two variable. Now we can solve this question. Since x plus y is 10, we can write down the equation this: x plus y equals to 14, and x plus y is 10. So can I say that the value of y is 4? And if value of y is 4, x is 6. And we have to find out 4x plus 5y. Okay, so it is 24 plus 20. So it is 44. Therefore, the required value is 44. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.